Welcome back to Finance and Crypto, a fresh new place for the latest news, trends, and updates in the space, so you are always in the know. I'm your host, Rose J. All right, guys, as you can see here, we are on CoinMarketCap. And it looks like we have just hit a bit of resistance not too long ago, because we were at 354 billion. As you can see, we're at 347 billion. So it looks like we've hit a little resistance zone as Bitcoin has dropped under 7,700, as it was just there not too long ago. And I'm actually gonna get into that in a little bit, but before I do that, let's look at the market leaders. Bitcoin, as I just stated, was at 76.90. Ethereum's at 610 with Ripple at 65 cents. Bitcoin Cash at $1,141. And rounding out the top five is EOS at $14.39. So guys, in this video, I want to take a look at a certain pattern that I've been noticing over the last 6 months when looking at Bitcoin and the overall market in general. So let's actually take a look at what I'm referring to here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to bring up the year-to-date chart here, and that way I can kind of go into this pattern that I've been noticing over the last 6 months. It seems that on the 6th of each of the last previous 5 months of this year, whatever direction the market was trending in, it went the opposite direction. For example, if it was going up, then on the 6th it would go down. If it was going down, then once it got to the 5th, 6th of the following month, it would then go up. And here I'm going to demonstrate this here. So as we take a look at the graph here, I'm going to go ahead and, so this is January 6th, and it looks like we're at 811 billion. So January 6th, we're 811 billion. It seems to be the peak of this year before the market has started the original downtrend. So on the 7th, we see that Bitcoin, or excuse me, we see that the entire market goes from 800 to start the downward trend all the way down to where it eventually stopped here right around February 5th, 6th at around 276 billion. And at that point, the market then reversed course on the 6th of February. And it was a gradual uptrend for quite some time here. And as you can see, once we got into March, and right around March 5th, we got to about 470 billion. And on the 6th, it started going the opposite direction. So we started a little downtrend here. And now, if you're following this along, you see here as I'm moving along, on April 5th, it seems to be like where the downtrend actually kind of stopped. It actually changed course again. So it was going down a little bit and it changed course on April, and on April 6th, here it is. Oh no. Guys, I gotta go. You know what? Let me go to the last 3 months. That'll be much better. Okay, so this didn't provide me the entire 3 months. So let me go ahead and restart this. Okay, bam. Okay, all right, here we go, guys. So now if we take a look at here from April 6th, I want you guys to take a look at this. So April 5th, we're at 255 billion. I want you guys to take a look at this shape. So from April 5th to April 9th, take a look at this. Look at this shape. So it kind of went. So on April 5th, basically at its bottom. And on the 6th, it went down and it kind of went up. It kind of went up for a little bit. Then it had a little bit of resistance. And after that resistance from April 6th, then it started going all the way up here. And we continued this trend all the way until May 5th. And on May 5th, look at this. On the 6th, it goes all the way down from 470 billion all the way down to 300 billion. But if you notice from everything that I've been doing, all the lower lows and the higher highs, the lows kept on getting higher, and the highs have also kept on getting higher from every month. And not just that, take a look at this shape here from right here on. If you look at this shape from the 1st to the 3rd, it looks eerily similar to this. Goes down a little bit, comes back up, goes up, resistance, and then takes off. Goes down a little bit, goes back up, resistance. After this resistance, guys, does this mean that this might be the last resistance until we actually take off on this market? I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? I really do feel like, considering what's been going on over the last 6 months, there is a potential possibility that the resistance that we're seeing here is going to be short-lived for either a few hours or a couple of days, and after that, it's takeoff. I don't know, guys. So let me know what you guys think about that market analysis. I know it wasn't, the most technical analysis, I guess you guys could say, but it was just a pattern that I was noticing, and I just thought I'd let you guys know. So until the next one, have a good one, guys.